Good morning everybody and welcome to day 37 I had to think then of lockdown. I've just been to collect the camera, which I placed in exactly the same place as last night, despite all the panic and the worry. Put it in the same location but just on a tripod, just in the bushes, looking at the gap in the fence, just to see if we can get the fox going through the fence. Obviously that's where it's come through, but I just wanted to get it on film. It did rain last night. And it looks like it's been raining through the night, so everywhere's really wet. But it's actually nice going through the woods after some rain, because everything looks so lush and green. It's almost as though everything's grown another 2 or 3 inches in the night. That's how it seems, but yeah, everything looks just so green, looks really nice. So I'm already picking up fox scent, even just stood here. So I'm just going to carry on my walk now. I'm going to stay out a bit longer today because it's not raining now, and see what we can see. Right, let's go then. It's still a little bit dark to film in the woodland, so I've just come down the bridleway just to stretch my legs, get some fresh air in my lungs and wake up. So the bait's gone again, which, if I'm honest, I was expecting, because I'm pretty confident now that that is where they come from and that is where they go to before they go back to the den. That's their point of entry to the fields, and then through into the woods and wherever they go from there on. So I think now I can put the camera there every time, put some bait down, and I'm going to catch the foxes on film. Film? It's not called film really, is it, these days? On video. So that's good, because I can bear that in mind now for further down the line, getting towards the end of May, June, when if they have got cubs, that could be the time when they start coming out. So I know I can always place the camera there and get some footage. So I'm going to move away from there tonight. I haven't decided where I'm going to put the camera tonight, but I usually go home, edit the video, have a see what's gone on, and sometimes it just prompts me as to where I'm going to put the camera. So this morning will be no exception. I've had quite a few sightings now of the fox, or the foxes, on video. Got the vixen and the dog, but it doesn't necessarily mean that it's just those 2 foxes. It could be 3 or 4 different foxes. I just haven't distinguished them yet on the video. There is the dog fox, which does seem to have that sort of marking spot on the base of its tail, but I have noticed on other people's videos that there's a similar marking on the tail, so maybe that's a characteristic of certain foxes, whether it's just a male fox or I don't know, I just don't know. Maybe like with the black ears and the paws that show up on the infrared camera, maybe that's just another fox characteristic, who knows. These are all things I'm learning. Just look at all these ramson flowers. It's like we've had a dusting of snow in the night. Right the way through the woodland. I wouldn't say I know these woods like the back of my hand just yet. I'm getting there, but I've been walking through this woodland every morning, pretty much every evening for the last 37 days, and I've really started to appreciate what I've got on my doorstep. The amount of species of trees, the birds, the insects, the different flowers, different plants, the wild edibles, and of course the wildlife. And it's all just 5 minutes from my doorstep. I really do like this woodland now. I've always liked it, but I really love it now. It's just such a nice woodland. It's always changing. All the trees are all different. It's not just one species of trees. There's a stream, there's fields. I just love it. I just love getting up early and just wandering around the woods. It does you the world of good. You should do it more often. I know not everybody's lucky enough to have woodland close by, but if you can find one, no matter how big or small, I think it's well worth rooting out and exploring. So the wildlife has made me look a fool once again by not sticking to the script and not giving us any fox footage. Although we did manage to get a sneaky glimpse of the rat and also the rabbit, but I'll discuss that more in tomorrow's video. I don't think I'm going to do any filming tonight. I'm just going to go out and I'm just going to place the camera ready for tomorrow morning. So I hope you enjoyed that one. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, which is just up here, or the one down below. Leave a comment as always, and don't forget to click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next one. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.